Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can do the hard tackle in a match of EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So before we start, previously this game is FIFA Mobile, but right now is EA Sport FC Mobile 24. And also I made this video is for a tutorial for new player or the beginner that new into this game, still confused. And let's start by tapping this play button and tap the live events and tap this kick off feature. So this one, there are some video here. Just tap this hard tackle video, and this video show you how you can make a perfectly time of tackles. All you have to do is just tap the green skill move button, the bigger one, the green one, and slide it to the left like this. If you tap it twice, it will become just a skill move like rainbow, but if you tap this green button to the left, it will become hard tackle. Not the red one, I mean the slide, but this is the green one. So please try in actual match. I hope you get successful to tackle your opponent. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.